We're going to be learning Let It Be today by the Beatles. It uses a standard 1-5-6-4 progression in the key of C. It's a very easy song to learn, very easy structure as well. So let's dive right into it. We start on a C major chord, and it goes like this. Now we're going to move to an A minor, and we are going to move our thumb down and up for these next three chords. Now set the fourth finger down for our F6. Now we're going to be playing interval thirds to a C major chord. So in real time, you have this with the sustain pedal as well. Now we will be doing the chorus, and this starts on a A minor chord, and here it is slowly. Move up to C major. So notice that section there is just a repeat of the second half of our verse. So now let's do it in real time. Now we're going to go to the bridge, and we are going to be playing interval thirds descending down the keyboard. We'll be starting on F and A, and it goes like this slowly. Notice how I'm using the same fingers, 3 and 5, throughout. Now we're going to be doing it again, starting at the 0 octave. So in real time, you have be no use of the sustain pedal during that. And that's Let It Be by the Beatles.